Tone it up. Unpacking the phrase, tone up. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, tone up. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meaning and how to use it correctly. When we say, tone up, it can be taken in two primary ways. 1. Literal meaning. This often refers to physical fitness. When someone wants to improve their muscle definition without necessarily increasing muscle size, they're looking to tone up. For example, I've been doing exercises to tone up my arms. 2. Figurative meaning. In a broader context, tone up can also mean improving or refining something. Like, the article is good, but it needs a bit more work to tone it up. Understanding a phrase is easier when you see it in action. Let's explore some examples. 1. After winter, many people hit the gym to tone up for summer. 2. The musical band decided to tone up their performance before the big concert. 3. You've lost weight. Are you planning to tone up now? Often, understanding similar phrases can help consolidate the meaning. 1. Shape up. This is generally about improving one's behavior or performance. You need to shape up or you might lose your job. 2. Tighten up. This could refer to making something more rigorous or strict, or in a fitness context, could be similar to tone up. She did specific exercises to tighten up her core. And there we have it. We hope you now have a solid understanding of the phrase, tone up, both in a fitness context and beyond. Keep practicing, and remember, every phrase you learn brings you one step closer to mastering the English language. Until next time, happy learning!